Hey guys, long time no see. You know, we're back here literally where you left us off at last. Still under the engine bay. This time, spark plug wires like we said and talked about last time. As usual, starts with a 10 mil. Clayton's got the light pointing the wrong way, so we're gonna fix that. There we go. So now, 16 plugs, 8 wires. Doesn't look like shit.
Almost there. Come on out. Oh, almost dropped it. Alright, bet. Breaker off. Pretty much.
There we go.
That's off.
Do you have to unplug this clip, or are you gonna? I don't think you probably need to, I guess. I don't know, does it come straight out?
I feel like I just got to pull on them. They're just plugs.
Should I hit the YouTube experts? Oh, no, we're YouTube experts right here.
Whoa,
no
dude.
Go nowhere, we're right here, dude. How to change your spark plugs, and this bitch is dirty.
Dirty AF.
Oh, what my dad was saying too is take an air thing, and when you take those out, spray air in it, so it takes out all that dirt.
Out of this?
Out of the hole.
Oh, alright, bet. Yeah.
Yeah, there's rags over there if you want to take one for that. Oh, yeah, that's fucking your hand up.
Oh, yeah.
That's oily dirt. That's the best kind. Just off
Just
to the
like
side.
that.
And there's the other plug. This is
A lot cleaner, boys.
This is a real Hemi. Some real Hemi people fight that it's not, but
So fuck
spark
them.
plugs are in the head. It's a Hemi. But even though spark plugs in the head ain't what makes a Hemi a Hemi. My 3.5 would be a Hemi if that was it. Okay. 3.5 is a Hemi. Don't let nobody tell you wrong.
Let's test her out.
If it's not a 2.5, that's all that matters. Or 2.7, what am I talking about? You got that socket that I brought, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I gotta fucking. Sick.
You just lose the socket?
No. Just make sure it's on there.
Yeah, we got magnets. Yeah, fucking. This is a really good angle right here. Change spark plugs. Almost need another extension. Another swivel head extension, I think.
What?
Yep.
I need to go the other way.
Can you like take out that bolt back there? Make the end piece sink. Oh, it's not a bolt. No. It really is.
Dude, I'll tell you what, them spark plugs were not in there. I had no fucking force on that.
You need to look up how much force.
10 pounds.
10 pounds, okay. Well, there you go, that's probably why. It's alright if you drop it down the engine bay. Here it is, the first one. Put that light on it, let's see it. Let me just turn it, right here. Get closer over there, in front of the. If I can find it. Oh, this bitch ain't gonna focus either, that's fucking shit.
Here, hold on.
There, okay, no, I lied. There we go, now you can see it. Not bad. Not at all bad. They're still good.
Yep.
Throw them bitches back in.
Perfect gap.
Alright, where's...
That's one of them. Hell yeah.
That's one of them.
A little difficult.
That need a shorter extension.
Oh.
At least it fell out the back.
Hit the ground.
Got it. Oh my god, I put my knee on a fucking extension wire. There it is. Saved by the man. Just gonna go pick up everything now. Too heavy. I guess these boring 10 mils and how's that one? Just a little crusty around the gap or the threads, whatever it's called. And then all I'm really expecting is this fucking white piece to be super black, and that'd be a bad one. Like that's what I'm not expecting the engine to be bad. I'm just expecting plugs to come out looking like that. When I
started up, dude, I tried to time it in here where the misfire is. I feel like it's cylinder number 7, which 7 is right here, I believe.
It's the first I ever heard of a misfire.
Always.
We know.
This is no longer needed, you fucking piece of shit.
It's no longer needed.
Yeah.
Turn this.
I just literally, like here, I'll grab one and show you real quick. Alright, yeah. So this one would go in there, and this one goes on there.
Mm-hmm.
And that eliminates this whole wire right here, which there's no fucking need for it. Like, seriously, Dodge. Should we just blow that out, you think?
Yeah, get the fucking air. Yeah, that's why. Here.
I got no pressure. Okay.
Alright, we showed you how to take those off. I think we're gonna...
At least show them how to put it
Well,
in.
yeah, let's just fucking show them how to take off one of these wires and then we'll run through them.
I gotta get my spark plugs first.
Thought you were gonna take them all out and then do it.
No. I don't
Just
want
do
to get
the one.
lost. I gapped them. Took me about 30-45 minutes to gap all 16 of them.
To what?
0.44. 4400, something like that. Yeah.
Not that, it's not this. I don't know what the fuck this is here.
See, the fucking idiot I watched do this literally took
See the difference.
his fucking spark plugs and dropped them in there, risking just fucking your gap up. Like, I spent a long time on these gaps. Like, I'm not gonna do that. Any
minutes.
resistance, you just come right back out.
30 minutes, long time.
Oh yeah.
Wouldn't want to do that again.
I'd rather pay somebody. Well, finger tight is about 10 foot pound, I think.
Fucking here in the fucking darkness. Another light going.
Maybe that's why.
You do.
I might have to take that back out and fucking.
Reset it.
That's why he was dropping them in.
Wait, you just talk shit and then someone's fucking process proves you wrong.
Go on there too tight to where the rubber boot will, or where
Won't let go.
hold it. Yeah.
Yeah, just tighten it better. Like, don't go as tight as that, I guess.
I'll drop you in there
Try it
as gently
again.
as possible, baby.
Here we go. The thing he said he wasn't gonna do.
Hey, he was from here and chucked them.
Pushed him in there.
Oh yeah.
That's different. That's a lot different than dropping him in. You just fucking sick the motherfucker in there. Here's your update you've been waiting for that we have been slacking on. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4 wires are done and 8 plugs are in this bitch. You want to see what the old ones look like? Here you go. Cylinder number what the fuck ever this one is. Let me get my own light so I can shine it too. But yeah, here's them. That's gonna be too much light. There you go. Focus, come on camera, you're worth the money. Okay, so here's what them plugs look like. That first cylinder was not that bad. Honestly, they're not even bad. I mean, the electrodes on this one are kind of worn out. You can kind of see that. Moving on to this cylinder, number, whatever this one is, second on the left side if you're going towards the back. This one was oily up to where the black starts, which is worrying, you know, O-ring, some seal, something. And here's the one that was next to it. Just kind
I
of
don't think they pushed in.
not much on that. What's not pushed in?
See how those are flush?
Yeah.
I push and push and push and can't get these fuckers flush.
I'm not sure. Okay, let me read the thing. Install new wire on spark plug securely. Listen for or feel the snap of the terminal onto the plug. Hear that whistling? That's the air hose too. Take it off and see if you can do it. It should snap onto that spark plug. Take that dipstick out. It's in your way.
There, it snapped.
No,
It just doesn't go flush.
Alright, we'll make sure they snapped and you're good then. It snapped, that's all you gotta worry about.
The damn thing said.
What the fucking paper said. And if we don't, we're gonna take our asses down to Grandview, Missouri.
Right down the road, pretty
Right down the road. Say, hey, tell me what I did wrong, because I fucked my shit up. Please help. I'm begging you. But yeah, we got through here. Oh yeah, back to these spark plug wires, or these spark plugs. This one was kind of oily. This one wasn't, not too much to be worried about. But then these ones, let me just, there you go. These ones were real oily. Real sludgy. Clayton said it was held in by the sludge. But yeah, that's that. And the ones to the next to that, this one wasn't bad. But then the one right next to that is missing the top of the fucking electrode. So this motherfucker was never firing for who knows how long. So that's kind of shitty. It's definitely gonna help. Ow. Over here. Torquing shit down. Torquing your elbow to the coolant. But yeah, here's them plugs, all nice and... We still have to delete these wires, but... It'll only be some of them, actually. Something's still gotta power the fucking... plug itself. Or actually, it doesn't. It eliminates all these wires. It's kinda cool.
Another wire for you. Or not
Here's
wire.
Here's another plug. That's as good as camera wants to focus, but
Yeah.
that's one. Guess we once again will update you on some bullshit that comes out of them under. There's just another look at this fucker for you. Really missing the electrode at the top of it. Well, boys, we did it.
Yep.
They did surgery on a Magnum. Well, we finished the wires. We don't have a fucking light to show. I guess I got my phone flashlight, but finished the wiring and the plugs.
Wiring took, fuck, only an hour. A little over an hour.
Why? Yeah, but the fucking struts took goddamn 2.5 probably.
Yeah.
But yeah, here she is. We haven't started yet, so we'll see that.
Yeah.
If you want to do the honors. Oh, you start it up. Oh, the struts don't work, dude.
Oh no.
Here it is. Let me just get them angles. Start that bitch up. Oh, Hemi's tick. I'm telling you, that the tick is your injectors.
Oh yes.
Snapchat it. It'll get the ultimate, you know, through another video. Yep. Give her a give her a little rail. Did y'all hear that intake noise? That was good. Did you hear that intake noise when you first did it?
Yeah. What
Sucks
I really
it.
noticed though, like if the box was out right now, it would tell you about the throttle response on the box. That fucking throttle response was amazing. Seriously. It was quick as fuck. It was like I'm tapping on a goddamn carburetor. That was nice.
We did it. That is the first ever spark plug wire and spark plugs themselves change I've ever done. Is that your first?
Huh?
Is that your first time?
Yeah.
Spark plugs and spark plug wires. Yeah, we changed struts on my car before. But that was the video. We did it. Be sure to check out the video before this, which was replacing the front struts, which was a bitch to do. So y'all might want to check that out. Look how fucking dirty it is now. Just all the grease. Kind of see with the light through that. Who's to know what's next? Oh, we know what's next, but you guys don't. Let's just say it's more loud. And that could mean a bunch of different things. So,
A bunch of different ones.
but alright, we've done it for this video. We're gonna do something with this, what little Saturday we have left, I guess, but it was fun. It was a learning experience. We did it. We were doubtful at times, but we did it. Alright.
If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you guys want to subscribe for more, and we will see you in the next one.